So this is the brains of the unit. We'll get another picture of that.
Alright.
I don't know if you want to set that down however you want.
So this goes inside the truck.
Yeah, that'll be mounted on the dashboard somewhere so the driver can see it, and you can access different parameters in there that you want to see.
Wow.
And then this is the computer basically that controls everything, and this is usually mounted on the frame somewhere.
Okay. And that's the manifold that goes.
Yeah, that's the manifold on the test bench here.
Alright. So what is it hooked up to back here?
So right now this is going to be a coolant reservoir. We have a heating element in there to simulate engine heat. This is a pump for the coolant since we don't have a real engine here with a water pump.
Okay.
And then a secondary inline heater for the coolant. Oh. And then further around the back, we've got our fuel tank, which is this jerry can here. It's going to have your fuel to the manifold that's going to be drawn out via the pump, the return from the return valve, and then this line's from our air bleed system, which is in the manifold.
This is pretty cool, yeah. So this is how you test it out, right?
Yeah, so this is how we test the boards. Ben's running the test right now on that computer. This is a CAN simulator, so it basically simulates all the signals of the engine. Pretty neat.
Sure.
Those are the valves. Those are a critical component of the system. These valves are what allow the engine to switch between diesel for startup and shutdown, and then the biofuel during normal runtime. So you're going to have a valve to supply the engine of either one of the two fuels. So one is going to be diesel and one is going to be bio.
Alright.
And then this valve will select which one is actually going to the engine. And then the other valve is going to be a return valve. So a lot of fuel systems, they send fuel to the engine, but not all of it gets burned. So they send some back to the fuel tank. So that this is going to handle the fuel coming from the engine back to the tank. So the fuel will come from the engine, and then it'll know which tank it needs to go back to, whether it's running bio or diesel.
Wow.
So.
Alright, so that return right there, it'll go back into it, and it'll know which one to go back.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's cool. Alright, that's cool.